Hello students, I am Vishalini Divakar, Assistant Professor at KSIT Bangalore. I will be demonstrating the experiment power and power factor measurement of 4 types of lamps in a basic electrical engineering lab. Fine. Now this is the manual we are using. That is, title of the experiment is measurement of power and power factor of different lamps, and aim of the experiment is what? To measure the power and power factor of incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp, CFL and LED lamps. Okay, so this is the apparatus required, and this is the circuit diagram we are using for the measurement of power and power factor. What is there in the circuit diagram? This is the main supply which is used. Supply we are using is what? AC supply, 230 volts, 50 hertz supply. Ammeter is connected in series, and this is the wattmeter which is connected in series like this. These M and L terminals are current coil terminals, and C and V are the pressure coil terminals. Now voltmeter is connected across the lamp. Lamp is the load which is used, which is having its own switch in series, and voltmeter measures the voltage which is across the lamp. Okay, so this is the total circuit diagram we are using. Similarly, we will be using the connection diagram for the module. This is the connection diagram for the module for doing the experiment. And here what do we have? These are the supply terminals which are connected to the input terminals. Fine. And this is these are the output terminals which are connected to the lamp holder. Fine. So this is the module connection diagram, and this is the indicator which indicates the on condition of the module, and this is the MCB which is switches on the module. Fine. So this is the connection diagram we are using, and tabular column is like this. We have to do what? We have to tabulate the voltage across the lamp and current flowing through the lamp, and power factor we are measuring, that will give you the practical value, and we have the theoretical value which is calculated. Now for power we are using 2 columns, that is rated power which is written on the bulb, and practical power is which is measured by the meter. Now which type of meter we are using? We are using in the module we have multifunction meter which gives you voltage, current, power and power factor all together. This is a digital multifunction meter which is used for measuring all the parameters once for all. Fine. So this is what we have to do. We have to note down voltage, current and also the power and power factor, then calculate the theoretical power factor by using what? Cos phi is equal to P by VI. Like this, cos phi is equal to P by VI. Like this we have to measure the calculate the theoretical value of cos phi. Now let us start making the connections. Yeah, this is the module which we are using for measurement of power and power factor, and these two are the supply terminals which are connected to the input terminals. This is the MCB, this is the indicator. Fine. And this is the multifunction meter which has the buttons like V, I, VAF, PF, P and E. Okay. And when we press V, we will get voltage. When we press I, we will get the current and power factor and P by using these 2 buttons. Now these 2 are the output terminals which are connected to the lamp load. Now we have all the lamp loads connected together in a single box. Okay. And this is the incandescent lamp, and this is the fluorescent lamp, and this is the CFL, and this is a LED. Now these 4 switches, by using these 4 switches we can switch on one of the lamps or all together. And these 2 terminals are the lamp load terminals which we can use. Now let us start making the connections here. Now this input terminal of the module is connected, means supply terminal is connected to the input terminal, and common terminal of supply is connected to this. So these two are the only two connections which come from the supply. Now we have to connect the output terminals to the load. So this is the output terminal which is connected to the load terminals like this, and this terminal is connected to this one. Fine. So these two are the terminals which are connected like this. Okay. So these two are the terminals which are connected to the output or the load. Now before starting the experiment, we should switch on the supply on the board. So this is the supply, power supply, and this is the module switch we have here. So now this is on, and now MCB we should put it to the upper side. Now what happens? This is on now. Our multifunction meter is on, and now we will switch on the lamps one by one. First of all, I am switching on this lamp, that is incandescent lamp, which is having power factor 1. So switch on this lamp. Now you come here and measure the voltage and current and power factor. Now I will press on this one, that is voltage button. What is the reading? 239.1, that is the voltage. Fine. Now you press this current button. 0.263 amps is the current which the lamp takes. Now press the power factor button. Power factor is 1. Then power button, power is 0.063, which is in kilowatts. Now what is in watts? Just multiply by 1000, you will get it in watts. That is 63 watts is the power which is consumed. Now come to the lamp. We can measure the rated power. It's written here. What is written here? It is 60 watts. Yeah, now we can switch off and see what is written here. It is 60 watt lamp. That is the rated power. But it is consuming how much? It is consuming 63 watts. 63 watts practically. So this is the practical value and that is the rated value. Now I will switch off this lamp and switch on the second lamp, that is the fluorescent lamp. Fine. The fluorescent lamp, after it is switched on, you just come here and switch on the, press this voltage button. Voltage is 239.3 here. Now you press the current button. Current taken by the lamp is 0.35 amps. Now you switch on, press power factor button. Power factor is 0.528. Or now it is varying 0.542. Okay, fine. Now power button you measure, you press and measure the power consumed, that is 0.045 kilowatts, means 45 watts is the power consumed. Now let us see what is the power rating of the this one, that is fluorescent lamp. It is written somewhere here in the box, it is written as 40 watts. So 40 watts is the rated power and 45 watts is the power consumed. Now you switch off the second lamp and switch on the CFL lamp. Okay. Now you come back here. What is the voltage? Voltage is 239.7 volts. Current is 0.241 amps. Next you press power factor. Power factor is more here. 0.943 is the power factor and power consumed is what? 0.015 kilowatt, means 15 watts. Let us see what is the power factor which is written on, power which is written on this this one lamp, that is 14 watts. It's a 14 watt lamp, but it is taking how much? 15 watt. So the rated power is 14 watt and it is taking 15 watts. Fine. Now you switch off the third lamp, switch on the fourth, that is a LED lamp. Now LED lamp, how much is the voltage across it? Is 239.8 volts or almost 240 it is. Now current you press, current is how much? 0.241 amps. Then power factor is how much? 0.981 is the power factor and power consumed is 0.014 kilowatts, means what? 14 watts is the power consumed. Let us see what is the power which is rated power written on the lamp is how much? 15 watts. Here it's written as 15 watts. 15 watts, but it is taking just 14 watts. It's okay, fine. And now this is the end of the experiment, but we have to calculate and tabulate. So tabulation is like this. For incandescent lamp we got 240.2 and current is 0.266, and theoretical value we calculated cos phi by using this formula, that is cos phi is equal to P by VI. You just substituted the values because power measured is 64 watts. We are using that, and theoretical value of power factor is 1. So theoretical value of power factor is 1, practical also is 1. Now rated value is 60 watts for power and practical value is 64 watts. Fine. Same thing is done for fluorescent, CFL and LED lamps. We have calculated the power factor, that is the theoretical value is 0.54 and 0.56 is the practical value. For this it is 0.96 and 0.948. For this it is 0.94 and 0.981. And the power consumed are tabulated here. Okay. So this is the end of the experiment. After doing the experiment, you just write the result like this. That is the power and power factor of the incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp, CFL lamp and LED lamp are tabulated as shown. Okay. So this is the end of this experiment by all. Thank you all.